Hi, I'm Soumya from BCom CA department. I am now going to explain you about remuneration of director. This belongs to corporate accounting. How they are calculating remuneration to a managing director, we are going to see in this video. Okay, the manager remuneration to director comes under section 197. The managerial remuneration is payable to a person who is appointed under section 196 to this act. So who are all the person will get this managerial remuneration? They should come under that means they should join after the appointed after under section 196 of this act. The term remuneration means any money or its equivalent given or passed to any person for the service rendered by him and include perquisites. Okay, in term remuneration means any money or its equivalent to money. So remuneration means what are the work they are doing and they are getting extra amount for the work what they have done. Okay, a remuneration, how they will get remuneration? They get in term of money or equivalent to money in the term like that's good like that material, what are the material they are manufacturing in their company, so they can get equivalent to money or money products. Okay, perquisites also they can able to include perquisites. Okay, value of what are that are explained below. Value of rent free or concession accommodation. So the in their company, the employee can get some benefits. What are they means? Value of rent free or concession accommodation. So they can get rent free or concessed accommodation for that employee. Value of any other item provided at a free of cost or at concession rate. In that case, the material what are consuming in their company, they can get in the free of cost or some concession rate. So concession rate in term they can get some offers. This product, if you are getting this product, you can get this product for some offer or for several percentage on discount rates. Okay, value of securities. So value of securities also they can get in free of cost, sorry, not in free of cost, they can get in the some concessed rate. A contribution made by an employer to an approved superannuation fund, so they can get some annuation fund in supernominal rates like that. Value of any other fringe benefits or annuity stock rate. Okay, in a fringe benefit means they can get any other some other items also they can get in the free of cost or concessed value. What form they are giving remuneration in term, they will give in three forms. One is profit of a company, they can get remuneration to the profit of company or state government, or another one is discussed by their managing directors. In these three forms, an employee can get some managerial remuneration. Okay, how managerial remuneration allowed to a managerial person, we can see. Remuneration allowed to managerial person in case of company having a adequate profit. So while company having some adequate profit only, they will spread they will give the managing amount for the employees. If the company is also going in loss, how they could able to give the managerial remuneration? So here we have some percentage according to this act. And how they are separating this, we can say this. A public company can pay remuneration to a director including managing director and whole time director. By two way they can do, including managing director and whole time director. If there is only these type of managing director in a company can give some profit. In profit they can give managerial remuneration, and its manager which shall not exceed on level percentage of net profit. Their profit should not be exist for 11 percentage. 11 percentage is the last value of giving the managerial remuneration money. It should not exist 11 percentage. It should not go through 12 or something else. It should be covered within 11 percentage. When a company has only one managing director or a whole-time director or manager, the remuneration payable shall not exceed 5% of net profit. But most of in our problems, we will do by this 5% profit only. So why we are doing for this 5 percentage? If there is only one managing director or only one whole time managing director, it should be considered as, we should consider only for 5 percentage on net profit. If there is more than one such director, remuneration should not exceed 10 percentage of net profit. So by this 10 percentage we could not able to do sums, but you can know this, there is more than one such director, they should consider by 10 percentage. Managing director remuneration. So now I have shown here how they are calculating in a simple way. Overall managerial remuneration 11 percentage of net profit. Okay, one managerial person, that means immediate including managing director and whole time director or manager, they can provide 5 percentage of net profit. More than one managerial person, they can provide only 10 percentage of net profit. Other than non-executive director, in case of no managing director and whole time director or manager, it should be provided for 3 percentage of net profit only. Okay, here I have shown you some some related to managing director remuneration. How they are calculating here, I will explain you. From the following particulars, determine the maximum remuneration available to a full-time director. So we have got here full-time director. So what percentage we are going to calculate is 11 percentage, 5 percentage, 10 percentage or a 3 percentage. Okay, now we are going to calculate for only 5 percentage because we have received full-time director of a manufacturing company. In this company they are manufacturing some product. Okay, the profit and loss of a company shown in the net profit of rupees 40 lakhs after taking into account of following items. So they have displayed here some items. What are they? Depreciation including special depreciation rupees 40,000. So total amount for depreciation is 1 lakh, but what we are going to take is some special depreciation of rupees 40,000, but that amount only we are going to take here. Provision for income tax 2 lakhs, donation to political parties 50,000, ex gratia payment to workers 10,000, capital profit on sale of asset. So these 5 items are appearing in a question. So how we are going to adjust in a statement of profit for the purpose of managerial remuneration? How we are going to adjust in the statement of profit for managerial remuneration? Okay, net profit as per, how we are going to do here is, for as it is we are going to do a tabular column, and net profit as per profit and loss. Managerial remuneration calculation is going to done through only the profit of a company. So first item we are going to take here is net profit as per profit and loss account. So what is the value is 40,000, that is going to be in last item. So now here we are going to add inadmissible items. What are the inadmissible items we have getting here is, inadmissible item is special depreciation, provision for income tax, ex gratia payment to worker. Okay, here donation to political parties will not come in this account, because donation to political parties means that that is our personal, that is our later thing, so that will not include in a company's thing. So that donation to political parties should not be taken in sum. Okay, provision for income tax should be taken. Ex gratia payment, extra amount for payment for worker is given, so that is related to a company, no. So we are going to calculate here. Special depreciation, what is the special depreciation amount? 40,000. Provision for income tax 2 lakhs, ex gratia payment to worker 10,000. So now we are going to add these 3 items, and the total value is 2,50,000, and we are going to add this amount with net profit. 40 lakhs plus 2,50,000 is 42,50,000. So here we are going to minus capital profit on sale of asset. What sale that asset that we have, what we are going to asset is going to be minus here, less we are going to less here. So what is the amount? Capital profit on sale of asset is 15,000. So 42,50,000 minus 15,000 is 42,35,000. So that is our net profit for managerial remuneration. Okay, now we have done the process, and here we are going to do that simple calculation, that is that 5 percentage calculation. So why we are giving 5% means here we have got a full-time director, so we have choose here 5% calculation. So managerial remuneration is equal to, what is the total value? 42 lakhs 35,000 into 5 divided by 100. So what is the total value we have got? Managerial remuneration is 2,11,750. Okay students, now I think you all understood this managerial remuneration calculation. This is a simple calculation in this. You all go through this video. Thank you for watching this video.